We're hoping that this serves as a reminder for other people to grow and build companies in Ohio and show that a lot of growth can happen, not just on the coasts.
Well, the push continues to make Northeast Ohio into a technology hub, a home to innovation and growth. Just last year, local startup MedPilot merged with another technology company, proving you don't need to be on one of the coasts to succeed.
As News 5's Clay Lepard explains, a lot has changed with them over the last year, including how investors look at our region.
More than $50 million. That's how much Vytalize Health, a New York-based medical tech company, finished raising recently as it continues to grow. So what's Vytalize Health got to do with Northeast Ohio? For that, we bring you to this office building near the lakefront.
For us, being able to see, a year after the merger, this big of a win is really, really exciting for us.
Matt Buter-Shapiro serves as the co-founder of MedPilot, a tech company that streamlines medical billing. The two companies merged last year, but what makes MedPilot stand out is that it was founded in New York City and then moved to Cleveland a couple years ago.
Ever since we partnered with MedPilot about a year and a half ago, it became very clear to us that this is a market to watch, not just for growth for Vytalize, but for great talent, as well as great investors and capital that is, smart capital looking to advance projects that are meaningful.
This spotlight on an Ohio tech startup couldn't come at a better time, as John Carroll University is set to host the first Ohio Technology Summit in less than 2 weeks.
If you look at what our state's good at, it's things like healthcare, insurance, financial services, manufacturing. And so the real opportunity comes in the next evolution of those spaces.
Chris Berry serves as the president of Ohio X, the statewide nonprofit working to build Ohio into a tech hub and organizer of this upcoming event. Berry told News 5 that announcements like these help fuel Northeast Ohio's growth as a recognized health tech center beyond its world-renowned hospitals.
We need innovation in these spaces, and these are vitally important. They provide great jobs, but they also provide real services to Ohioans, to Americans, to people across the globe.
For Vytalize Health and MedPilot, the company says moving into the Ohio market has helped them grow 150% over the past year.
We're hoping that this serves as a reminder for other people to grow and build companies in Ohio and show that a lot of growth can happen, not just on the coasts.
Clay Lepard, News 5.
So Ohio has been focused on building up our tech and STEM programs here in the state. We've told you about how Intel and the National Science Foundation are spending tens of millions of dollars on semiconductor manufacturing education and research collaborations with institutions across the state. Some of the biggest players in our city have teamed up for the Cleveland Innovation District. We are talking university hospitals, the Cleveland Clinic, Metro Health, CSU, and Case Western. Their goal? To create more jobs and develop programs to train local talent to meet their needs.